Hello, I'm Jasmine Eliza Villog and I am from BSIT 1C. For today, I will gonna show to you on how to do the series circuit. On our first step, we need the equipment, the power supply, the three resistors, and multimeter, and also breadboard. So the first thing to do is to put this resistor into terminal 5 to 9, and this one will put it into terminal 13 to 17, and this one will put it into 21 to 25. So the next step we need to do is to connect the wirings in here, and the next thing to do is to connect the wirings from power supply to breadboard and set their voltage. Since I connected this, I will change the negative wiring color into black. So the given voltage is 12, and I will set the current into 0.8. So since we've done editing it, let's proceed now to the next step. The next is connect this wire into positive and change the color into red, and oh this one will connect I this one will connect into negative and change it into black. So connect this into here and here from here. This one will change the color into red. So for the resistor, the given resistance into resistance number 1 is 4, and the expected voltage will come out into 3.2 or 3.20. So let's try, and first thing we need to do is place the multimeter here. uh, Place the multimeter here, and connect the wirings and the wirings from multimeter will connect it into positive into breadboard, and this one is into negative. So I will just change the color into black and the resistance in 4, and so let's try, and I think this will gonna be 3.2 volts. Let's start. Yes, it's correct, and next step is here. So the given resistance here is 5, and the expected voltage will come out into 4. So I will just gonna place it in here, and oh my god, here, this in here. So the positive will connect us into here, and the negative is in here. Same procedure, I will just change into color red because this is positive. So the voltage, let's check it again. So the resistance is 5, and this will come out into 4. And the next is the last one. I will just place it into here and connect these negative wirings. Oh my gosh. Connect these negative wirings into here, and the positive is into here. So the negative wire, I will change it into black. So yeah, let's see. So the resistance is 6, and I think this will come out as 4.8 or 4.80. So I will just check the voltage and current, and let's try it on. Let's try to simulate. So the voltage is 12, and for the multimeter number 1, change it into 1. This one is 2, and this one is 3. So that's all, and I hope you like my video, and goodbye, and thank you for watching.